Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2015 Ford Explorer. You're going to find it located behind the glove box. This is the part number from Ford for the cabin air filter. First step to removing the cabin air filter is to remove the side panel right here. This easily comes apart just by pulling on it and removing those clips. Now you can set this on to the side. We're going to close this and take a look on the inside. So on the inside, you're going to see this little rope right here that's attached to the door. So when you close the door, it'll pull that little string. And when you close it, it's right there. So what you need to do is grab that while it's closed and slide it on over to the left to detach it. Just like this. So see, now it's detached. You just slide it onto the left and it'll come right off. Now we can go ahead and open this. You're going to find two locking tabs under here. So coming inside the glove box, right under here, you're going to find two tabs, one right here and one over there. You're going to need to push those on up at the same time to unlock them. So you got one there, and now we got to do the other side. Now once you get the tabs unlocked, you got to make sure to hold this up because they will just fall right out. So you can just pull this out, put it to the side, and now we're going to take a look. Inside you'll see the cover for the cabin air filter right here. It's got two tabs, one right here and one over there. Just unlock them one at a time. And it'll come right off. That gives you access to the air filter. Reach on in there and pull it out. The new filter will have an airflow direction right here. So you want to have that pointing down. So with the arrow right here pointing down, you want to insert it. And make sure the ridge sides are on the left and the right, and the floppy side is in the center. Now we can just put the cover back on, put the two anchors on top first, and then push in to hear the click. Now we can put everything back in reverse order. When you're putting these on, make sure these little hooks right here grab on. And you're going to wait for that click that are locked into place. Then we'll close it and put the string in over here. This panel just match up all the clips to the holes. And you're all set. So if you liked the video, if you learned something, or if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.